Yes, this question is also from Faraday's first law. Calculate the current in MA. What is MA, children? You have to understand that first. If you do not know these symbols, it will be little bit difficult for you to solve these questions, or it may lead to wrong answer. Now, MA means milliampere. You have to understand what is MA, milliampere. It's very important. So, milliampere. Actually, you will get the answer as in terms of amperes. So, all of you should understand 1000 milliampere is equal to 1000 into 10 power 3 ampere, that is equal to ampere or 1 ampere. So, this conversion, if you don't know, it is difficult. Okay. Now, write Faraday's first law. W is equal to E into I into T divided by 96,500. Now, it is clearly given that PTCl6 PTCl6 2 minus undergoes reduction. It will consume electrons to form platinum, right? Now we have to find out n factor because we have to apply equivalent mass. So if you calculate change in the oxidation state, n factor will come. So this is x minus 6 equal to minus 2, x equal to plus 4. Here it is 0, therefore change in the oxidation state is 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. Therefore n factor here is equal to 4. So what is weight? 0.195 grams. Is equal to equivalent mass is equal to molar mass by n factor. What is n factor? 4 into current is how much? Current is what we have to find out. Okay. Time they have given 5 hours. So 5 hours means 5 into 3600 seconds. You have to convert hours to seconds into 96,500. Now if you calculate this, children, you are going to get I is equal to 0.0214 ampere. So as I already told, we have to convert ampere to milliampere because question is asked in milliampere. Therefore, this is equal to 0.0214 into 10 power 3 milliampere, that is equal to 214 milliampere. Therefore, one second, please hold on, children. Yes, I made a mistake in the answer. So you will get 1, 1, 2, 3. Yes, it is 21.4 milliampere. So therefore option C is correct.